Hi everyone, I'm Johan, and this is Orson, and you're watching another Christmas episode of Go Ahead and Make Me.
Go ahead and make me.
So this year, as I was decorating the tree, I'm putting on a wreath on the front door, maybe making a Christmas hamper or two for friends. I was thinking that I really wanted to make a Christmas quilt this year, like one that I designed myself, and also that I would hand sew myself because I really just wanted to make it made by myself from scratch. And yeah, so I started thinking, well, what can I do? I had a nice stack of fabrics, so-called Scandi designs. They're red and white, as you can see, and I really wanted to incorporate this block, the so-called snail trail block, which is not a very nice name. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Scandi style, but the twist here is that it had Australian animals on it. As you can see, there's an emu, a wombat, kangaroo, koala, and so I thought that was really cute. So I started designing something on the computer, and I came up with this design. As you can see, it's really full of that so-called snail trail block. Yeah, I was happy with what I came up with. So I started making these blocks, and at first I just translated the blocks to thick paper and I cut out all the shapes that I needed so that I can use them as templates to cut out the pieces. And then I sewed them together by hand. This is the snail trail again, which is also called monkey wrench, by the way, which is a nicer name. Yeah, this is what it looks like when you hand sew a block from the back. And yeah, I was pretty happy with this result already. And then I went on to make the other blocks. This is another one with the very prominent animals on it. This one took a bit more time, but it's a nice result. And then I had this one, and I had 4 of these, and I didn't really know what I was going to put in the middle, and I just left it up in the air for the time being. This is what I replaced the center with, because as you can see here, the center is the same as the other 4 blocks on each side, and I thought, no, I wanted a real focal point in the middle, so I created this star. And so I was thinking, what am I going to put in these blank spaces in these 4 blocks? And I thought, you know what, I'll make appliques. And so I hand drew these 4 Australian animals. There's a koala, a Tasmanian devil, a kangaroo, and a platypus. And I thought, you know, I'll just put those in those squares. And I haven't done an awful lot of applique, but yeah, I've always really enjoyed it. It's you have to pay attention to what you're doing. The trick is that you have to make the thread look invisible, so you have to be very careful where you place the thread. But once you get into the rhythm, it can be quite therapeutic, and it's quite a pleasant way to spend a few hours. And the results are, well, I was really happy with how it came out. And then this is the final result. Put them all together, all the blocks. As you can see, it's a throw type quilt. It's not a bed-sized quilt. Yeah, it's meant to be thrown over a couch or whatever. It's not quilted yet, as you can see, but yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. So that's the end of another episode, and indeed of another year. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We hope you have the best of Christmases, and we hope you stay safe, and see you again in the next year. Bye-bye. Orson. Orson. What are you doing? What are you doing, Orson?